Hello, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable color inversion mode and where to find it. So we need to go to our settings menu. Here we will scroll all the way down until we see accessibility menu here. Tap it once. Then vision enhancements at the top of the list. Tap it once. And here we have our options. Color inversion is right here. To turn it on, we simply need to tap this checkbox here once, not this one. Color inversion here. Yes, please. And our color inversion mode is now enabled. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.